Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard here. Tonight we are looking at this question. Um, it comes from the first topic, the first chapter of Grade 9 Natural Sciences. Like I said before, we decided to do this due to requests which we are getting from you. And we believe it's a good approach such that you have good foundation before you go to further education training. So this is what we are having today. The question says, the diagram below shows different parts of a light microscope. Now, before we indulge into this, we would urge you to subscribe, to like, to refer to a friend, to comment. Yes, we believe this is the best channel ever. Okay. The diagram shows different parts of a light microscope. Remember we said cells cannot be seen with an unaided eye, with an eye which is not having an instrument. So here is the instrument we use to observe or to view cells. And it's called light microscope. There are other microscopes, but this is the simplest. And it's the one which we are supposed to know at this level. It says, name the parts of the microscope marked A to I. Okay. What's the name of these parts? Okay. Let us start with A. Yeah. A is a tube inside which there is a lens. So A is ocular, or eyepiece lens. Okay. B is coarse adjustment screw. Okay, what's the purpose of B? We adjust it initially before we adjust C. So what is C? C is a fine screw. We adjust C after adjusting A to get very fine, clear focus. D is frame, the frame of the microscope. Then E is mirror. That's the purpose of the mirror. The purpose of the mirror is to provide light, so some people call it light source. Then you come to F. What is F? F is a stage. Stage is where we place our object which we are supposed to observe. We place the object is put in the slide and then placed on the stage for observation. Then you come to I. Then what is the purpose of I? I is the condenser. I is a condenser. We'll look at that later. It controls the amount of light going through the slide. Then we come to G. What's the function of G? G is rotating nose piece. Rotating nose piece. And H, what's the function of H? H is the objective, is the lens. If H is the objective. So those are the major parts of our microscope. And let us look at the next question which follows. Yeah, then comes the next question. It says, give one function of each of the part labeled. Okay. What are the functions of these parts labeled? Let us start with A. A, we said it's a eyepiece. So what is the function of eyepiece? Eyepiece actually is that lens where you put your eye. Actually, the naming was made because of that. It's where you place your eye, that tube, the ocular tube where the eyepiece is placed. Now, what the purpose of the eyepiece is simply to focus the image. So answer is to focus the object, because the image is what is formed to focus the object, so that you can get a sharp image. Okay. Then you go to B. What is B? Coarse adjustment screw. The purpose here, the function is for initial adjustment of the focus. Yeah, when you adjust the coarse, you get the object, but you don't get that fine details. So that is the purpose of it. Initially, that's what we use to focus the object. Then we go to C. C is fine adjustment screw. And what's the purpose? Is for clear final focus of the object. Okay. Then it comes D. D is the frame. And what is the purpose of the frame? The frame serves to support other parts. of the microscope. Yeah, E is the mirror. And what's the function of the mirror? The function of the mirror is to provide light. It lights up, provide light to the slide on the stage. So as you see it here, we rotate it until the light is focused at the stage. Inside the stage, there is a small hole where we are supposed to position our slide. And that focus, the light from here is reflected through that hole to light up the slide. F is the stage. And what's the purpose of the stage? It holds the slide during operation of the microscope, during observation. During observation of the object. G is rotating nose piece. And what is the purpose of that? It holds objective lenses. Lenses in position. And by rotating it, we can select the objective which we wish to use. Then next, we are going to have the H. H is the objective. Objective lens. Objective is a lens. And what's the purpose of a lens? Is to focus. To focus the object. So it controls direction of movement of light rays so that the rays are focused on the object. Lastly but not least, we have the I. What is I? I is condenser. And what's the purpose of condenser? Controls light. Controls light through the slide. So that is that. Let us highlight these parts for easy viewing. We said this is the eyepiece. Next one was coarse adjustment screw. Next was fine adjustment screw. Next one was the frame. Next was the mirror. Next was the stage. So those are highlighted part. Next one was rotating nose piece. Then next one was the objective lens. And then lastly, the condenser. So those are the functions of these basic parts of the microscope. It's very, very important that you know this because they are going to be coming back along your way to higher levels. With that, we would want to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to make this channel get known to a friend. Trust us, you'll not regret it. See you next time. Bye bye.